Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So today we'll be setting up Foxy Proxy in our Firefox browser. So first you need to go to the search bar, search for Foxy Foxy Proxy. Click on the very first link. Now click on Add to Firefox. Click on Add. Now check this. Okay, got it. Now click on the Foxy Proxy icon. Click on Options. Now you'll get this screen. Click on Add. You can set any name into this parameter. You can set it as burp. Here you just have to keep it HTTP. Proxy IP is going to be 127.0.0.1, which we have set in our burp suite proxy. For port, we are going to use 8080. Just save it. Okay, now we have done the configuration for Foxy Proxy. Now, in my browser, the default proxy setting is set to no proxy. I can show you. See. Now what we will do here is first we will set this to turn off, and we'll see that if it is capturing any request or packet or not. Now what we will do, we'll just reload this application. So as you can see that we are not getting any request in this particular HTTP history page. We'll go to the browser again. Now we'll click on this Foxy proxy, click on burp. Now again load the web application. Now in the burp suite you can see that you will get the request for the particular application demo.testfire. So hope you all liked the video. Please share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.